Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips, and today I want to talk about a couple of stretches my best friend shared with me back in January of this year, and I've been doing it ever since, and I thought I would share them with you. There's obviously a lot of different types of stretches and exercises, but these are a couple that you can add to what you're doing every day. Of course, you want to be careful if you have certain back issues. You don't want to aggravate it, so you may want to check with your doctor, but perhaps this might be of help to you. In addition to these two exercises, a couple other things that I do as well. I use my inversion table when I get up in the morning, which is a big help. And then I also use another product that has wheels and massages my back, and it feels really, really great. All right, so we're going to go ahead and dive in. I'll share with you two things you'll need. You'll need a pillow, and you'll also need a dumbbell. Now, I use a 10-pound dumbbell. These are very hard to come by, it seems, lately with the COVID. But I did pick one up. I was using a 3-pound and really wasn't enough, so 10-pound is really sufficient for me. And if you're really strong, you might want to go up to even something like 15 pounds, but 10 pounds seems to be a good number. So what you're going to do first is, on this first exercise, you're going to take your pillow and put it between your legs, and you are just going to you can have your legs straight out or bent like I have here. And what you're going to do is you're going to have your top hand like this, your bottom hand on the floor, and you're going to come up real slow. Your hand's going to go straight up, and you're going to come all the way across and to almost where you're touching the ground. So that's 1, 2. Again, you want to go slow. Sometimes I know I have to remind myself because I go fast. 3, 4, 5. I'm going to go a little bit faster for this video, but you want to go slower. 6. It's not a race. And you're really stretching your back. 7, 8, 9, and 10. So you're really getting that stretch. All right, now we're going to switch sides. I love this mat, by the way. This is a yoga mat. This is by Ajna Wellness. Love it, and definitely recommend this yoga mat if you are looking for one. Of course, you could just do this on your carpet, but this is a nice mat to use. All right, so now we're going to do the same thing. Put your hand down, and you're just going to go across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I touched the ground there. 9, and 10. All right, now this next exercise is going to be using the dumbbell. You're going to do the same thing again. You switch back to your left shoulder on the ground, and what you're going to do is again, you don't want to have your back touching the ground. You just want your shoulder on the ground, both stretches. So you're going to go up, 1, and down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And now you're going to switch to the other side. All right. Actually, this pillow's kind of got a little bit of an angle. Now we're going to do the same thing. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And that's it. Those are 2 stretches that I do every day. And again, I do my inversion table. I also do the other product, which massages my back. And that's what I generally do. And there's a couple other stretches and exercises, but really wanted to show these 2 particularly because they're a little bit different. I hadn't seen them before. You may not have either, and these can be added into your routine on a regular basis. All right, everybody, if you are doing this, let me know how it's working for you, and anything that I can try and answer as far as suggestions. If you're dealing with sciatica or other back pains, I'll try and answer those. I'm not a specialist, but things that I've been doing over the years because I have had to adjust because of my lower back, because of the L3, 4, and 5. Again, the sciatica, stenosis, and muscle spasms. All right, everybody, have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.